Open a document and access the GIS map. Use the fly to function to quickly locate objects on the map. Select an object and read its properties. Associate a CDE document, stored on the platform, to the selected object with a simple drag and drop. Or associate a web document indicating name and URL. View drawings and models associated with the map objects. Get connected with colleagues and work collaboratively on the same document. Use the encrypted chat service to exchange information. All changes made on the document are visible in real time. Export the draft in geojson format.